Hello guys, it's your girl Blessed Concern. I've come again today with another mind-blowing video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can show your full screen while editing your video. Like this one you are seeing on my screen, how you can achieve this. Within a minute, you are good to go. So guys, join me on the screen. Let me show you how I achieve this. Let's go.
So guys, this is how to show your phone screen while editing your video. All you need to do is just to go to CapCut, you tap new project. Once you tap new project, you tap the screen recorded video or normal video that you want it to be on the screen. Okay, so let's assume it's this one now that I want it to be on the screen. I'll bring it in. Once I bring it in, let me off the volume. Don't want the volume to be on. So once you bring it in, the next thing that you need to do is just to hold on guys, let me on my Wi-Fi. So the next thing you need to do is just go and look for stickers. Then once you open your stickers, you scroll your right, continue scrolling, you see this one, you tap it. Once you tap it, so there are so many phone, laptop and all the rest, but I love using this one. I tap it. So once I tap it, I will expand it so that it will fit into my video. So you tap good. Once you tap good, you expand it to reach your video length. Okay, you drag it to reach your video length. So it has reached my video length. So you change your this thing, your you change the aspect ratio 1:1. Okay, once that is done, you go back to your stickers, drag it so that it will fit into your video. It will be as if the video is in the phone. So let's fix it very well. Let me tap the video. Just use your two fingers and fix it in. Okay, so have you seen it? This video now is on my phone screen. It is as if it's playing inside the phone. Are you seeing it? So guys, isn't this lovely? It is lovely. So you can put a background. Okay, if you want to put background, all you need to do is just to go to your background. Okay, tap image. Hold on guys. Once you tap image, if you want to use CapCut image, you can use them. Oh my god guys, just watch now. Isn't this amazing? Isn't this amazing? It is. It is amazing. These ones are pro features. So you can use any free features that you see here that you like. Okay, so have you seen it? Any type you like, you can use. Let's go for this one. You tap it. So your video now have nice background. Let's play the video again. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, how do you see this now? It's very sweet and lovely. So guys, it's very easy and simple to do. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, share and follow for more videos. I love you all. Bye. I forgot. After this, don't forget to change your video ratio, okay, resolution, so that it will be at 1080, so that your video quality will not reduce. Okay, so after this, you go ahead and export your video. Yeah, export it. Bam, ready to share. So that's all, guys. Thank you all for watching.
So guys, you have seen it. Very easy and simple, right? What you have to do, share the video, follow for more tutorials. Bye guys.